Hey guys. Okay, so today, guys, we are doing a Haichu race. This is our first race. Hopefully, I beat her.
Hopefully, I beat you. What is you faster than me?
Well, okay, so guys, you already know how the race goes, so you know, the one who fished all their whatever we're gonna be eating, our candy, our Haichus. This is gonna be the winner. So, guys, before we get started, guys, please comment down below, and put your notification bell on.
Yeah.
And subscribe to our channel, guys. For this video, if you could get us to
7 likes.
I say 5.
5 likes.
Yeah, 5 likes. So 5 likes, guys. We'll be doing another video.
Just any of your choice.
Yes, we'll do anything of your choice. So if you pick it, we'll do it. We'll do the pranks, we'll do the slime, we'll do anything. So
just leave it in the comments.
You guys
down below.
ready? Okay, so you know how the race game goes.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna open them now, but you have to open them and then eat them and then keep going. So when I'll count down, cause.
So we have 4 flavors. We have grape, green apple, mango, and strawberry.
Yes, them the 4 flavors.
I love all the flavors.
So I like all of them, but anyways,
the grape is the best.
I'm like super nervous because I hope I win.
I hope I win.
So please don't choke. To my opponent here, do not choke because
you don't choke.
You can't eat so fast with these. You can't hardly bite these.
I know because they like hard, and then some they're hard and.
And then once you get them like super get your saliva on it, it gets super soft and be super good. So.
I can't wait. I hope I win.
All right, guys. I'm going to pull up my sleeves for this one.
I ain't got no sleeves.
And pull my hair back. Oh, my goodness.
That's already in my Italy.
Okay.
Let's go.
You ready, guys?
Let's go.
Let's do our handshake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's go. Let's get it, y'all.
So, guys, you guys ready?
5.
Lord, let me win. All right.
Don't let me win.
All right. Ready, guys? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have like so much in my mouth.
Come on. Yo, I'm a winner. Team Julia, comment down below.
Team Keisha.
Team Donna.
Oh my God, these are so hard to chew. Oh my God, no! Mm. This is the worstest race ever. They're like so true. They hard.
Mm. One left, one left. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Hey, I won. You lost. Team Aaliyah. Team Aaliyah coming back strong.
She coming back weak.
Oh, okay. That was so intense, guys. Like, I can't. You saw me. I was struggling over here.
I was struggling to open up the wrapper.
I was like struggling over here. Like, you see how much I have left? Like, it was so hard to even chew.
You
know?
better
It's
get
like,
the chewing. You better
I'm good on that.
I win, y'all. I won. You lost. Yo, it was so hard because because of the type of paper it is, it's like really hard paper to rip. So when I was trying to rip it, it was hard to rip. So I have a lot of little
I
pieces
need
of the
me
wrappers.
something to drink, like for real, because that was epic.
Okay.
But guys,
Oh yes, I won.
she did one, but that's 1-0. I can always come back from that one.
So called, she can always. I'm gonna win because I'm faster and I got younger bones.
So guys, that was super epic.
I need some different kind of candy.
I mean, super epic.
She mad because she lost.
I'm not mad. I was like struggling over here to swallow it down.
I was choking to open it.
Oh my god, it was like so epic. Okay, so guys, Aaliyah has won, and I have to
Team
do
Aaliyah in the comments down below.
another video to catch up to her because I was like struggling over here. So guys, thank you for watching.
Make sure y'all try Starburst. I love Starburst.
I love Starburst. That's my favorite.
Whoa.
candy. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned
Clean
to
up
our
your
videos.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment down below. Make sure y'all put on that notification bell so y'all know when we post because we're coming back to back all 2019.
Yes. You know that gets sweet for that, right? So guys, it's like I have a big hole right in the middle of my throat, and it's like I can't even swallow. So guys,
I was nervous. I was like,
I was
shaking.
super nervous, and then I was like, "Forget this! I'm gonna just pop them up in my mouth, thinking I was okay, and it wasn't. I was struggling.
Do not put too much candy in your mouth because y'all saw what she just went through.
The struggle is real." Okay, so guys, thank you for watching our video. But believe me, if you can give our likes to 5 likes, we'll post another video for you guys.
For you guys.
So until then, bye guys.
Thank you for
We'll
watching.
do another one. We'll do in there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so bye guys. Thank you.
You want to do a handshake?
All right. Thank you. Bye guys.